Hi everyone. Um, we got the new Twitter block out. Bring your own key version of it. So I'm excited for this because we were planning on building these anyway this month because of the new API limitations that are being introduced. And I'm gonna walk you through how this works here. It's a fairly simple workflow, assuming you already have a Twitter API key. So I just got the block. I don't have any connections here. I'm gonna send this message called test bring your own key Twitter. Um, and in order to add a new connection, you click on the plus here, and here you're gonna have to put your API keys um, and key secret. So once you do this, you just press submit, and you're gonna have here a new URL that you need to whitelist on Twitter. Don't forget this step is super important, otherwise your blog's not gonna work. So on the API where you did, you're gonna have to here on the developer panel, I'm gonna have to go here on the um, edit the permissions. Important thing, allow it to read and write at least for app permissions, make it a web app for the type of app, and here on the callback URL, just add the one that we just received on the other page. Okay, this only needs to be done once for every Twitter API that you have. So once you've done this, it will work. You're always going to get the same API back here. You're going to have to input API key and secret again, but you're always going to have the same callback URL when you do that. So only once you have done this, save here the callback URL, and then you can now press continue, and this will take you to the usual Twitter authorization flow. So here we are authorizing our own custom Twitter app for the user that is logged in currently on Twitter. So you can do that for any of your users. If you have more than one, you can use the same app for multiple users, or you can have the other way around, multiple apps for the same user. And I'm going to show you how this is going to show on the bottom screen later. So all good, successful. That's it. That's all you need to do. Go back here, refresh to get the new login, and you're going to see user yafufu, bring your own key, and then it shows the first 6 characters of that API key, just so you know if you have more than one API key or not. So you can, again, have multiple API keys for the same yafufu user, or you can have multiple users using the same key. Doesn't matter. Both ways should work. Now I'm just going to send a test message to Twitter. We got here sent successfully, and if I go to our account and refresh here, we see test bring your own key Twitter.io, and that's it. Look, I hope this is good for you guys. Let me know any feedback, and we're going to continue working together to improve things. We have reached out to Twitter to get an enterprise account, but I think this is a very good solution interim, and even later, maybe depending on how Twitter does things, they be a bit funny. So, thank you guys.